Press the Settings button. Enter 147 to access the Engineer page. On the Engineer page, press the Settings button again. Then press the Packing button to enter the Packing page. Press the first button, the device will automatically initialize. When initialization is complete, the system will prompt you to remove the chuck. After confirming, place the protective foam and the retaining clip into position. Press Continue, and the shaft will lower to the packing position. Turn off the power, then tighten the retaining clip. Unplug the solenoid valve cable and power cord. Loosen the retaining clips and disconnect the water hoses. Install the protective rod and tighten the fixing screws at the bottom. Place the foam padding back into the scanning area. Then put on the dust cover. Move the machine into the packaging case and tighten the fixing screws. Place the foam top cover over the machine. Put the water hoses, power cord, tool kit, and solenoid valve kit into the foam compartment respectively. Slide on the carton, then the wooden case. Fasten the locking latches.